This is a short video on how to add an exclusion calendar to the holidays drop-down box on the schedules page. As you can see, there is only one New Year's days which is listed in the drop-down box, and I would like to add another exclusion calendar to this called Xmas calendar. Xmas calendar will have two exclusion days, which is the 25th of December, Christmas Day, and also the 26th of December for Boxing Day. So I would like to create a new calendar through the REST API, because as you can see here, there is nothing that allows me to add a new calendar or update an existing calendar or even delete. The use case for doing this is rather straightforward. It's actually for the user who schedules a job to pick the Christmas calendar so that the job itself doesn't run on those exclusion days. In order to work with the REST API services, you need to use a REST API client software tool. In my case, I'm using the Postman, which is a free download, but you can easily use another one like ARC, for instance. So in order to add the holiday exclusion calendar to the holidays drop-down box, you need to specify the method as put, and you have to provide the call to the REST calendar service and give the calendar a name. So in my case, I'm calling the exclusion calendar as Xmas calendar. And I also want to specify replace it with true, just in case there's a name that matches and I want to replace that. The default is false. And under the authorization, I specify basic auth, specifying the username as super user and the password as super user. And since I am going to supply XML format to the body, then the content type must be specified as application/XML. If you are providing it as a JSON format, then the value should be application/JSON. So the format looks like this. And most importantly, for a holiday calendar, you need to specify the holiday here for the calendar type. And for any days that you want to exclude jobs to run, then you have to specify them individually, as highlighted here. So what I'm going to do now is to click on the send button so that this gets executed. And what this does is that it will populate the exclusion calendar straight away. So I'll verify that right now. So I'll just refresh this page. And I'll just pick any of the scheduled jobs to edit. And take a look at the holiday drop-down, and as you can see that the Xmas calendar has been added to the exclusions list. So apart from XML format, JSON format is also accepted. The easiest way to get a JSON format is actually to list the calendar out with the accept header as application/JSON, and in a response you get the JSON format, which you can just copy and paste into the create calendar, and simply changing the header to application/JSON and click on send. So the response here is still an XML format, but that's just a response. And if you don't want the calendar anymore and you want to remove it from the drop-down box, you can just call the REST delete method to that calendar name, and it will be removed after you click on refresh on the UI page. Thank you very much for watching.